Already in the previous class we learnt about introduction and we did make some kind of problems. Today we are going to do some problems, and here find the value of x. Actually he gave that a triangle. He gave the triangle. We have to find the value of x is here. And again, what is given that a triangle A, B, C is given. In that triangle, I am going to draw here. First question, first one answer. Triangle A, B, C. What it is? 60 degrees. Angle B 60 degrees. Angle C, angle B 60 degrees. Angle C 70 degrees. And angle A x. Here we have to find angle x value. Now I am going to do here. What is that? We know that angle sum property. What is that angle sum property? Sum of three angles by angle sum property. What is that angle sum property? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. What about angle A x degrees? Angle A x degrees plus angle B value 60 degrees plus angle C value 70 degrees, which is equal to 80 degrees. So sum of these two angles 60 plus 70 130. Then x plus 130 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 130 is positive sign, transposing on right side. When you transposing on right side, plus 130 become minus 130. 180 minus 130. Finally we got x value on 50 degrees. So we get x equal to how much it is? 50 degrees. This is the first solution answer. Next we are going to do this problem. What is this? Here he gave that x, y and z. What is that? X, y, z. What about angle y equal to 110 degrees? Angle z is equal to 30 degrees. We have to find that x. We will try to solve this. Again same property by angle sum property. Angle sum property. What does it tells that? Sum of all angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees. What is that? We can write that in triangle x, y, z. What is given that? Angle z is equal to 30 degrees. Angle y equal to 110 degrees. We don't know about angle x. We have to find angle x. When you substitute angle sum property, we can write angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degrees. So instead of z and y, we can substitute 30 and 110 degrees. So angle x value, we don't have what? X, because we have to find angle x value. So we can write next one angle y. What about angle y? 110 degrees plus angle z 30 degrees is equal to 180. Same process. And again angle x is plus 110 plus 130. Sum of two angles equal to 140 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. Transposing 140 on right side. So 140 become minus 140. Then we can write angle x is equal to 180 degrees minus 140. Directly we can get the difference between 180 and 140, 40. So we got angle x value. This is the solution about second question. Next we are going to do that. So What are that? We're trying to do that. I'm going to clean this. So next one, what is that? We have to find the value of x and y. What is that? It was given that PQR triangle and angle PRS. Angle PRS is exterior angle, which means angle 120 equal to exterior angle. So in this triangle we have to find x and y values. We try to find that. Triangle, what is that given? I'm going to draw a triangle for you again. P, Q, R, S. Here it is 120 degrees and this one is 50, and angle P, X, and angle PRQ, Y degrees. We have to find x and y degrees, and here particularly we don't know about the x value and we don't know about y value. How do you find that? Actually, if you observe that QRS is a straight line. QRS is a straight line. In triangle ABC, triangle, what it is? PQR. PQR. In triangle PQR, angle Q equal to 50 degrees. And again angle PRS is equal to 120 degrees, exterior angle. So again we can write that angle QRS is a straight line, straight angle. Angle QRS is a straight angle or straight line. So we can write that here it comes two angles. What is that? Two adjacent angles, QRP and PRS. Sum of two angles, which is equal to, in triangle, angle QRP plus angle PRS is equal to 180 degrees. Why it is 180 degrees? Linear pair. What it is? LP means linear pair. Linear pair means sum of two adjacent angles, which is equal to how much it is? 180 degrees. Linear pair. In this previous classes we learned about that. And what is the value of angle QRP? What is that? Angle QRS. In this straight line angle QRS, it has formed two angles. Here it formed two angles. What is that? Angle QRS and QRP angle, and the other one is angle PRS angles. So instead of angle QRP, we can write Y. So Y plus PRS. What it is? Exterior angle 120 degrees, which is equal to 180. So transpose 120 on right side. We can make Y as subject, 180 minus 120. And the difference of 180 and 120, 60 degrees. So we got y degrees. How much it is? 60 degrees. We got y value. How much it is? 60 degrees. And after finding that 60, we have to find that x. So again, we did find that x value. We know about the value of y degrees, and as well as we know about, and y means angle r, and angle q value 50. But we don't know about angle P. Again in triangle PQR, sum of angle sum property. By angle sum property, how can you write that? Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Where is angle P, angle Q and angle R? Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degrees. But we know about angle Q equal to 50 degrees. Already we did find that angle R, y value 60 degrees, and we don't know about x value. Instead of angle P, we can write x plus angle Q value 50 degrees plus angle R. How much it is? 60 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. Next, sum of 50 and 60, 110 degrees. So x plus 110 is equal to 180 degrees. And actually 110 is a positive sign. When you transposing 110 on right side, and we can get x equal to 110 become minus 110, and again x equal to the difference between 180 and 110 we can get 70. Therefore x equal to 70. So we got x value. So what he asked? He asked we have to find x and y values. So already we did find y value 60 and as well as x value 70. This is about the solution of this question. Next we are going to do this problem. Next, what it is? Second diagram. It was given that E F G. Here F value x degrees and G value x degrees, which means if two angles in isosceles, two angles are equal, it must be isosceles triangle. So we don't know about the value of y degrees, and actually he gave that it is 90 degrees. He gave that 90 degrees. In triangle EFG, we have to find x and y values. First we have to write triangle EFG. In triangle EFG, and F and G, angle E equal to angle G equal to x degrees. He gave that. And again angle F equal to angle E equal to y degrees. But here angle y is equal to 90 because vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle y equal, but that implies angle y equal to 90. Why it is? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are, where are the vertically opposite angles? Angle y is the vertically opposite angle of 90 degrees. So we can write EFG. We did get y value. How much it is? 90 degrees. And we don't know about x and x value. We are trying to find that. We have to apply that angle sum property in this triangle. What is that? In triangle EFG, how can you write that? Angle E by angle sum property, angle F plus angle G, which is equal to 180 degrees. Angle E value 90, because we did find that angle E is the vertically opposite angle of 90 degrees. So instead of angle E we can write 90 degrees plus angle F. What is the value of angle F? X degrees plus angle G. Where is angle G? Angle G value x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 90 plus x degrees, 2x, x plus x value 2x degrees. So 90 plus 2x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So transposing 90 on right side, again 2x degrees is equal to, again 180 minus 90 degrees, and 2x equal to 90 degrees, and 2 is the coefficient of the variable. Here x is the variable, 2 is the multiple of x. So we can transpose the coefficient on right side. Then x as subject, when you take x as subject, we can get 90 by 2. How much it is? 45 times. So x value is 45. So the value of x equal to 45. If it is 45 and the other one is also 45 degrees, but y equal to 90 degrees. We did solve one problem. Next one. Next triangle. What is that? ABC is a triangle and angle ACD is an exterior triangle. And exterior angle of the triangle. We have to find that y and x values. And again, when you draw the triangle A, B, C, D, here ACD is an exterior angle and y 65 degrees, x. So first we have, already we did make this kind of problem, and y plus 135. First, when you write that in triangle ABC, angle ACD is an exterior. An exterior. Angle ACD is an exterior. So BCD is a straight line. So therefore BCD, angle BCD is a straight line. So we can apply here. It forms angle BCA and angle ACD, two adjacent angles. Sum of two adjacent angles is equal to how much it is? 180 degrees by linear pair. So we can write angle BCA plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees, because of here in this straight line how many angles? Sum of two angles is equal to how much it is? 180. Linear pair. So angle BCA, how much it is? Y degrees. So instead of angle BCA we can write y degrees, and again angle ACD, how much it is? 135 degrees. So 135 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. Then when you make y as subject, we can transpose 135 on right side. So 180 minus 135. So y is equal to difference between 180 and 135. 180 and 135, 45 degrees. We did get y value is 45 degrees. Again, we have to apply angle sum property, because we need to find that x value. So in triangle ABC, sum of triangle means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A value x plus angle B 65 degrees plus angle C y degrees. Y means is equal to 180 degrees. So x plus 65 plus 45 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Then x plus 65 plus 45, 110 is equal to 180. Then when you make x as subject, transpose on right side, 180 minus 110, which is equal to 60. So we got x value, and x value is 60 degrees and y value equal to 45 degrees. So next one, in a right angled triangle, one acute angle is 30 degrees and find the other angle. What the question is? In a right angled triangle, one acute angle is 30 degrees. Then find the other angle. First you try to draw the triangle, right angle triangle. What is that? ABC. Just assume that ABC is a right angled triangle, 90 degrees, and one angle is given that 30 degrees. We have to find that another angle easy by applying angle sum property. So we can write that by angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. So angle A value, we don't know about angle A value. So angle A plus angle B 90 degrees plus angle C value 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A plus 90 plus 30, 120 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. Then we have to make angle A as subject. We can get 180 minus 120 degrees. Finally we get angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Angle A equal to 60 degrees. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the angles. Very interesting question it is. The angles are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the angles. Given ratio 1:2:3. We can find in two methods. Already I did make one method in the other video. I am trying to do that remaining method. Sum of ratio equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. So you want to find that first value, first angle is equal to how much it is? What is the first one? Sum of three angles. 1/6 into 180. 30. First angle is 30. And the second one, 2. Second, which is equal to 2/6 into 180. 6 how many times? 30. 30 into 2, 60 degrees. Next, third one, 3/6 into 180. 6 how many times? 30 times. 3, that is 90. So our angles are 30, 60, 90. So we gave that one of the exterior angles of a triangle is 125. Find the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:3. Find the angles. What is given that? First we are trying to draw that A, B, C, D. One of the exterior angle, how many degrees? 125 degrees. And the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:3. And what is that ratio? 2:3. We try to find that first one. We don't know about the values of the two ratios. We are trying to find that ratio of interior angles. Ratio of interior angles. Of interior angles 2:3. So we can write in the form of 2x and 3x. But we know that sum of opposite interior angles is equal to exterior angles. So exterior property, sum of opposite interior angle is equal to exterior angle. So we can write 2x plus 3x is equal to 135. 2x plus 3x, 5x is equal to 125. So x is equal to 125 by 5. 25. So we got x equal to 25. You want to find that 2x is equal to 2 into 25. 225 is 50. And the second one, 3x is equal to 3 into 25, which is equal to 75 degrees. So our problem is solved. Next.